Have you ever looked up above your kitchen cabinets and thought, it gets so greasy and dusty up there and hard to clean? That space up there between the cabinets and the ceiling might look harmless, but over time it turns into a sticky layer of dust, grease, and kitchen grime that nobody wants to clean. And honestly, if you cook in your kitchen, that space is probably dirty if it hasn't been cleaned in a while. Especially in rentals. A lot of times when people move into a rental, then find the tops of the cabinets or even the cabinets themselves were never checked or cleaned. Many times, this gets missed between tenants because nobody can really see up there. So today, first I'm going to show you the easiest way to clean it. Then I'll show you some simple renter-friendly ideas. So hopefully you never have to clean it again. Step 1. Cleaning it first. Before you do any kind of cover-up or decorating, you want to get that space cleaned really well first. And trust me, dry dusting alone usually won't work because kitchen dust gets mixed with grease from cooking. Plus, if no one has cleaned in a long time, it gets pretty bad up there. So here's the easiest method. Vacuum first, to loosen dust if you can. And use a microfiber cloth, then mix up some very warm water, just a few drops of dish soap, or more if needed. I have a copycat Dawn Power Wash recipe that works great. I will link it at the end of this video. If you are going to be using a ladder, please use with caution. Then lightly dampen the cloth and wipe across the top of the cabinets. You'll be shocked what comes off of there. And if the grease is really sticky, a little white vinegar added to the warm water helps cut through it. Now for the best solution. Now that it is clean, let's find a way so you don't have to keep cleaning it over and over again. And the good news is, you do not need woodworking skills to fix this space. Step 2. Easy renter-friendly fixes. Option 1. Corkboard or foam board panels. One of the easiest ideas is purchasing corkboard or foam board sheets and cutting them to the size needed to cover the open space. They're lightweight, easy to cut, inexpensive, and beginner-friendly. You can even paint them to match your kitchen. And once they're in place, no more greasy dust. Depending on how you install them, you can store things behind them. Option 2. Decorative baskets or boxes. If you like cozy farmhouse style, large baskets work great. You can also find decorative boxes with lids that fit snug in the space. This helps to hide the gap, stop grease from collecting deep inside, and gives you extra storage. And the nice thing about boxes, you can simply remove them and clean them easily. Some sturdy plastic decorative boxes can even be rinsed off or washed in the dishwasher, depending on the material. No climbing and scrubbing cabinet tops anymore. Option 3. Fabric Valance cover. This one is perfect for renters. Use a kitchen fabric valance and Velcro. Attach it to the ceiling so it hangs down and covers the space above the cabinets. It softens the kitchen, hides the gap, and helps block grease and dust from getting back there. Plus, the fabric can easily be removed and washed when needed. And since it uses Velcro or hook and loop type of strips, there's no woodworking required. Plus, doing it this way makes it wonderful for easy storage. Option 4. Plastic wrap or paper towels. This one is probably the simplest of all. You can lay plastic wrap, parchment paper, newspaper, or paper towels. Just lay it flat across the top of the cabinets. Then, when they get greasy, you simply remove them and replace them. Now I will say, with these methods, it protects the flat cabinet tops, but the back wall and ceiling above the cabinets can still collect grease and dust over time, so those areas may still need occasional cleaning. Still, it's a whole lot easier than scrubbing sticky cabinet tops. Sometimes the best DIY projects aren't about making something fancy. They're about making your home easier to live in. And honestly, anything that removes a greasy, dust-catching shelf from the kitchen sounds like a win to me. Don't forget to like and share. And I'll see you in the next video.